Hey guys, back here with another video. This is Rodthedrawer, and today we're gonna be doing a review of my old drawings. I have my old drawings right here, and I'm gonna show you. I think this is like from middle school up. So, well, not like it was like middle school through probably 9th grade. But yeah, got some good artwork in here. I'm gonna show you all of it. Alright, let's get to it. So guys, I'm gonna run through this kind of fast because it's a lot of paintings. Well, not paintings, drawings. So I'm gonna explain each one that I drew, and I think why I drew it. But yeah, let's get into it. This one was just a drawing I seen on YouTube, and I was just inspired. Like early drawing. Started learning how to do graffiti a little bit. This was like a long, like I think I was like probably 9-10 drawings. Yeah, 9-10, just getting started. Well, it was looking halfway decent. That was me trying to draw my sister. Yeah, the graffiti phase. That's something I seen on YouTube how to draw. Monkey Vaseline. Something I was trying. Graffiti. This is Aang and I don't know the other girl. But this is off of Avatar, the old show that was on Nickelodeon. Something I just wanted to try out. This was like a song called Poetic Justice by Kendrick Lamar. And this was my whole reason of drawing it. Like, I just went crazy, honestly. This is like one of my first YouTube tutorials drawings. Like, I went on YouTube when I was like 12. So yeah, this was like my first YouTube tutorial on how to draw. And it came out pretty good. I think I remember when I drew this, like in 2012. I drew this because of I drew this drawing because of the rapper MGK. Like, I was so into his music back then. That's like every time I drew, I was listening to his music. So yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna draw this just because. This drawing right here is, I can't really explain it. I was just trying stuff. You see, I was getting better at hands, which I can't do now for some odd reason. Haven't practiced. And I don't know, my cartoons, I guess. This is one of them young drawings too. I was like probably 9 or 10 drawing this. I was using Sharpie and Crayola. Yeah, I was using Sharpie and Crayola, so yeah. Another YouTube tutorial. Right there. Also, I was a big skateboarder, so I drew this for a reason, because I love this company, Plan B. It's a big skateboarding company. And again, out with the graffiti. I drew this lately. I was just practicing. I think I was on the way back from Atlanta, and I wanted to try something different, but like I couldn't really get into it because the car was so bumpy. So that's where I got it. This is my first ever drawing, which was horrible, but I was young. But without this one, it would have been none of them. So, yeah. Again, another one of my drawings that are, I think that's like a missile. Yeah, it's like the military shooting off a missile somewhere. Again, outer graffiti, G. Oh, this is when I tried to draw Drake when I was little. Boy, it did not come out good. And that's when his new album had came out then. I don't know the name of it, but yeah, you look at the his old albums, you'll see like something similar to this. But yeah, I actually really tried hard on here, but it didn't come out like I thought it was. I don't know what this means. I forgot. But yeah, graffiti. Oh, this was actually a drawing in my sketchbook that I lost my sketchbook. I don't know where it is anymore, but yeah, I drew this in there. It was pretty cool. I had a lot of good stuff in there. I just don't know what it is. Me trying to draw a Kid Boo. Number one guy. Oh, this is when I had the Vans. Big fan of skateboarding Vans. I always liked skateboarding when I was like younger. And this is a project I had to do for school when I was a little younger. So yeah, see, it's a B right there because I used to like this football game, MLB, fishing. I used to like fishing, cars, my dog, my other two dogs, racing, football. Don't like football no more. I used to. Ooh boy, this is when I was trying Crayola markers. You can see the difference. Boy, another YouTube tutorial right here. This one right here, boy, I went crazy. I love this drawing. This is like one of my first drawings in my first sketchbook that I ever got. So yeah, it was pretty good in my opinion. This is when I had to design some shoes at school in my art class. So yeah, I designed some Adidas, but I made them real colorful. Like, you want to wear some dull shoes. They look pretty good to me. I don't know. I was just trying something this time. Me trying to draw a woman. Second time using watercolors. Just trying something new, I guess. Again, another skateboarding fan. Well, I love this company called Shake Jump, but like, I don't know. That's my name in graffiti. I wish I would have recorded like videos back then. Boy, I think y'all would have loved them. Here's a big muscle truck that I drew. It came out pretty good. Like, my drawings back then were not that bad. Pretty good to me. You know who this is. If you are a skateboarding fan, you know who this is. This is Paul Rodriguez. Professional skateboarder, skates for Nike SB. I think I'm doing pretty well. Looks just like me. Again, graffiti. little drawing that I did, like, I did that not too long ago with Sharpies. 706. It's not. Pop it. Pop. Another graffiti one. I don't know what this says. That's a drawing of Dragon Ball Z characters. Not sure who they are. Just these drawings. And this is the last one. I drew this like not recently, but like probably last year. I don't know, I just want to try something different, different colors. It's pretty good to me, honestly. I like how different it is. Hey guys, this is the end of the video, unfortunately, but I hope y'all loved my drawings, because I love drawing them. When I was younger, it was everything to me. It still is everything to me, but like it was even more, because I could always draw like whenever I wanted to, because I didn't have many things to do in life at that time. But I hope you love the drawings and all that. But you should like, subscribe, comment below something you would like me to draw. And on that note, I'm out. Peace.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?